recently purchased this 2007 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, and when I was purchasing it, I did hear the noise coming from the ABS actuator, so I was able to get down on the price a little bit, but this is what it sounds like. If you push the brake firmly on it, and I am going to be replacing that module here within the next couple of weeks, and I will give you an update if that fixed it.